outside, y'all. I'm so mad. I forgot to order a waterproof case. So now all the shit that I'm going on, I can't even really show y'all. So I'm just gonna have to show y'all whatever area I'm going to. Okay, y'all. So I'm doing a review on Clementon Park and Splashwood. So far, pissing me off because why? Most of the rides is closed. Okay, that's first and foremost. No wonder the tickets is only $20, so that's not too bad. So I guess I can't complain too much. Second off, the one ride pissed me off because look at my toe. Look at my toe. I'm fucking mad as shit. Got on this ride and then this guy didn't even tell nobody how the rules. They say like, oh, lift your feet, none, and then my freaking toe got messed up. So we continue with this shit. Closey, closey, close. This water don't look good. Like, come on now, kill me the experience. Sheesh. Chicken French fries. I don't even. Yeah, no. You went on them already? And a motherfucking biatch. Like, what the hell? This shit don't look good. This little river part was alright. I ain't feeling it too much. I already done did all the rides in under like an hour. Next time, and I'm low-key glad that I forgot my camera, or not the camera, the waterproof thing for my phone. Cause this one, it's not even worth the big review. It's not worth it. Cause they got the little waves in here. Got that, like that's cutesy and shit. But there's nothing else. And then, you know, it's just overcharged for everything. So, like I said, right now, tickets was on sale. I'm not sure when that's ending or not, but ain't much else to do. For real. So I would give this a rating. Not even that. These bathrooms smell like piss and shit. Literal piss and shit smell in here, like, ugh. Yeah, this review is about to get worse and worse as it goes on. I'm outie creeped out of y'all. This one of the ones like, you skip it, just skip it, please. Was going to try some food here, y'all, but it's not even worth the money. It's really not worth the money. So, the overall review, I know I said 6 earlier, I'm now dropping it to a 3. Because the bathroom is unsanitary as hell. I had an air hover over everything, like, I'm not touching none of that. Everything isn't everything. So, well, never the fuck again.